Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy core on Metamask app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And let me verify myself first, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of this Metamask app on in the screen, where you can see there is a Ethereum main network at the top of this dashboard. Simply tap on that Ethereum main network, and now you can see there is a add network at this bottom of this section. So let's tap on that add network, and now you can see there is a lots of chains in here in this popular section, but we cannot find any kind of core in here. So let me tap on that custom network, and we need to enter a network configuration manually in here. So you can see it is asking network name, RPC URL, chain ID symbol, and block explorer URL. So let me enter all these things and get back to you. So yeah, once you complete all the things, and yeah, make sure you screenshot this one, and finally tap on the add, and now you need to confirm this one, and finally tap on the switch to network, and yeah, you'll be able to add the core in your Metamask app successfully. And now if you want to buy, then simply tap on the core, which is at the middle of this screen, or you can also tap on the exchange option, which is at the bottom of this dashboard. So the choice is yours. So I'm going to choose first one because the process is going to be same. So let me tap on this core, and now you can see there is a receive and send option. So if you tap on the send, you will be able to see your wallet address in here of your core successfully. So what you can do is you simply can copy this one, or you can simply send it to your users successfully. So let me close this one, and yeah, basically this is how you can buy core on Metamask app successfully. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.